Hey there, science fans, Bill Nye here, and today we're diving into the exciting world of hurricanes. Hurricanes are like giant spinning tops of wind and rain that form over warm ocean waters. Imagine a giant swirling dancer twirling across the sea. These massive storms can be hundreds of miles wide and bring heavy rain, strong winds, and big waves. But don't worry, we'll learn how to stay safe during hurricane season. Hurricanes are born over warm ocean waters near the equator. These waters provide the perfect conditions for the formation of these powerful storms. The process begins with the ocean's surface temperature, which needs to be at least 26.5 degrees Celsius or about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This warmth is crucial because it fuels the entire system. Think of it like this. The ocean acts like a giant bathtub filled with warm water. When the sun shines down, it heats the water, causing it to evaporate. This evaporation is the first step in the birth of a hurricane. The sun's energy is transferred to the water, turning it into water vapor. As the sun's warmth makes the water evaporate into the air, this water vapor rises. The process of evaporation is like the ocean breathing out moisture into the atmosphere. This moisture-laden air is lighter and begins to ascend into the sky. As the warm, moist air rises, it cools and forms storm clouds. This cooling causes the water vapor to condense into tiny droplets, creating clouds. The rising air creates a low-pressure area at the surface, which draws in more warm, moist air from the surrounding areas. These clouds start to spin faster and faster, fueled by the warm ocean water below. The Earth's rotation causes the system to spin, a phenomenon known as the Coriolis effect. This spinning motion helps to organize the storm, making it more powerful and structured. And just like that, a hurricane is born. The storm continues to draw energy from the warm ocean water, growing in size and strength. The central part of the hurricane, known as the eye, is calm, but it is surrounded by a wall of intense winds and heavy rain. These swirling storms usually travel west and then curve northward. This movement is influenced by the trade winds and the Coriolis effect. As hurricanes move over the ocean, they can cause significant changes in the weather patterns, bringing heavy rainfall, strong winds, and even storm surges to coastal areas. Understanding the birth and development of hurricanes is crucial for predicting their paths and preparing for their impacts. Did you know that hurricanes get their own names? It's true. We give them names to keep track of them and to help people easily identify and remember different storms. The World Meteorological Organization has a list of names for each hurricane season, alternating between boys' and girls' names. The first hurricane of the season starts with the letter A, the second with B, and so on. Cool, right? Scientists use something called the Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale to measure a hurricane's strength. This scale is a crucial tool in meteorology, helping experts predict the potential impact of hurricanes and prepare accordingly. It's like a ruler, but for hurricanes. There are 5 categories, each representing a different level of wind speed and potential damage. From Category 1, which has the weakest winds, typically ranging from 74 to 95 miles per hour. These storms can cause some minor damage like broken tree branches and power outages. To Category 5, which has the strongest winds, exceeding 157 miles per hour. These hurricanes are catastrophic, causing severe damage to buildings, uprooting trees, and leading to significant flooding. The higher the category, the more powerful the hurricane. Each increase in category represents a significant jump in wind speed and potential for destruction, and the more damage it can cause. Category 2 hurricanes, with winds between 96 and 110 miles per hour, can cause extensive damage to roofs and trees. Category 3 hurricanes, with winds from 111 to 129 miles per hour, can lead to devastating damage, making many areas uninhabitable for weeks or even months. It's super important to pay attention to these categories. Understanding the scale can help you prepare for the storm's impact, ensuring you take the necessary precautions to protect your home and family, so you know how strong a storm is. By staying informed and understanding the Simpson Scale, you can better anticipate the severity of a hurricane and take appropriate actions to stay safe. Whether it's securing your property, evacuating if necessary, or simply staying indoors, knowing the category of an approaching hurricane can make all the difference in how you respond and protect yourself and your loved ones. When hurricanes roar, the power of wind and water can be truly astonishing. These natural phenomena are among the most powerful and destructive forces on Earth. The combination of fierce winds and torrential rains can create a spectacle of nature's raw power that is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Hurricanes can be powerful storms, capable of causing a lot of damage. The sheer force of the wind can rip roofs off buildings, shatter windows, and send debris flying through the air like missiles. The damage to infrastructure can be extensive, leaving communities without power, water, and essential services for days or even weeks. Their strong winds can knock down trees, power lines, and even buildings. Imagine the force required to uproot a tree that has stood for decades or to topple a building constructed to withstand the elements. The aftermath of such destruction is often a landscape of chaos, with tangled power lines, fallen trees, and collapsed structures. The heavy rains they bring can cause flooding, especially in coastal areas. When the rain falls relentlessly, it can overwhelm drainage systems and lead to widespread flooding. Streets can turn into rivers, homes can be inundated, and entire neighborhoods can be cut off from the rest of the world. The water damage can be just as devastating as the wind damage, if not more so. And oh, watch out for the storm surge. This is one of the most dangerous aspects of a hurricane. The storm surge is a rise in sea level caused by the strong winds pushing water toward the shore. It can lead to severe coastal flooding, eroding beaches, and destroying coastal properties. That's when the ocean level rises dramatically because of the hurricane's powerful winds. The surge can be several feet high, and when it combines with high tide, the effects can be catastrophic. Coastal areas can be submerged under several feet of water, and the force of the surge can wash away anything in its path. It's like a giant wave pushing onto the shore. This wall of water can sweep away cars, boats, and even buildings. The power of the storm surge is a reminder of the incredible force of nature and the importance of respecting and preparing for these powerful storms. The combination of wind, rain, and storm surge makes hurricanes one of the most formidable natural disasters on the planet. Now that we know a bit about the science behind hurricanes, how about some fun facts? Did you know that the eye of the hurricane, the calm center, is actually the quietest part of the storm? And get this, the largest hurricane ever recorded was Typhoon Tip in 1979, which was bigger than the entire United States. Hurricanes are amazing and powerful forces of nature. Safety first, science fans. When a hurricane threatens, it's important to stay informed and follow the advice of local officials. Always listen to your parents or guardians and have a plan in case you need to evacuate your home. It's also a great idea to help your family prepare an emergency kit with food, water, flashlights, and other essential supplies. Be prepared, not scared. Planning for hurricane season. Hurricane season lasts from June 1st to November 30th each year. That's why it's super important to be prepared. Talk to your family about your hurricane plan and practice what you would do in case of a storm. Remember, knowledge is power. By learning about hurricanes and being prepared, you can help keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Knowledge is power. Learning more about hurricanes. Hurricanes are fascinating storms, and there's so much more to learn about them. You can find tons of cool information online, at your local library, and even at science museums. The more you know about hurricanes, the better prepared you'll be to stay safe during hurricane season. Stay safe and curious. Remember, when it comes to hurricanes, preparation is key. By understanding these powerful storms and following safety guidelines, we can weather any storm that comes our way. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the amazing world of science. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. If you enjoyed learning about hurricanes, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Elle's Sprouting Hub for more exciting science adventures. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, stay curious.